Dear friends, in this class we are going to discuss cultural species. Already half of the cultural species are discussed in some other video. It is a continuation of that video. Group as group as important group of fishes for coastal aquaculture. Ephinophilus tavina and Ephinophilus malabaricus of the family Sanaide have robust somewhat compressed oval, oblong and elongated body. There are 11 spines and 14 to 6 sharp rays in the dorsal fin and 18 to 20 rays in the pectoral fin. A large block blotch is present at the base of the last four dorsal spine, extending onto the lower part of the fin in Ephinophilus tavana, but absent in Ephinophilus malabaricus, which possesses about five more or less distinct and slightly oblique irregular hairs on the body. Also, three dark blotches are present on the opercle and in E. malabaricus. The head and the body are grease covered with small dull orange to dark brown spots. They grow to 50 to 60 centimeter and to 100 centimeter respectively. Hong Kong, Thailand, Singapore, and Malaysia are the most producer of groupers in sea cages. Groupers are suitable for culture in net cages as well as in ponds. Wild seed collection is the major source of seed for culture of groupers. Snappers, the snappers high value in the domestic and international markets. Golden snapper or red snapper are the preferred species. Lutigenus johina is culture in Malaysia and Singapore. It has moderately deep body with a striped or slightly convex head profile. The dorsal has 10 spines and 13 to 14 substrates. Longitudinal scales about the lateral line are parallel to it, and those below the lateral line are horizontal. The body has a reddish or bronze silvery color with a dark spot on each scale, forming a series of dark streaks in the body. A large black blotch may be present above the lateral line in the junction between the spinous and the short part of the dorsal. The fish growth is a maximum length of about 70 centimeter, but the common size are 40 to 60 centimeter length. Red snappers feeds on invertebrates and fishes and inhabits shallow waters and mangrove areas besides the sea up to depth of about 8 meter. Marine fish, it is Japanese amberjack. 70% Asian marine fish production. It contributes 70% Asian marine fish production. Other currencies snap-nosed pompano, sea brims, Barramundi, that is Asian sea brims. Groupers we already discussed. Tuna culture in Australia, high demand in Japanese market. Cobia production come from China, Taiwan province of China. Grows 6 gram per year. High demand in Asia and America. Set to become a global community. Milkfish we already discussed. Mainly depends upon wild capture need for seed production and hatchery technology. Asia, small scale of backyard hatcheries are available. Australia and Japan technology depend on hatchery mainly to reduce labor input. Taiwan PC, a major seed stock production center for the Asian Pacific region. Taiwan PC is typified by highly specialized production sectors. Nursery of this species assemble mortality in the juvenile seed stock mainly because cannibalism among the hatchery reared juveniles during transportation. Grow out in Asia Pacific region, small floating or fixed cages to extremely large cages. Large cages for amberjack grow out 30 to 50-meter diameter circular cages for southern bluefin tuna grow, grow out in Australia. Asia Pacific region, small to medium scale farms. Many farms use relatively simple technologies with wooden or bamboo cages and plastic barriers or polystyrene blocks to provide buoyancy. Japan and Australia sophisticated cage system. Thank you very much.